Hello, welcome to another video. So today I'm just doing a black French design. I already refilled my toes and shaped them and all of that stuff. So now I'm just heading straight to the design part. So there I put on my protein bond just so the polish could stick better. Not that it would really make a difference because it's gonna stick anyways, but just an additional step that I always do. So my Young Nail protein bond, and then this will be the product I'm using, Valentino number 48 for the black, and my favorite brush, that Beetles, found on Amazon, is the longest in the pack. So it comes in a pack, and the black is the longest. So as you see here, when it comes to doing French on the toes, I find it easier to first make that line across from one corner to one, and then start working up the curve, the corners, if that makes sense. It's just exactly how I'm doing. And I'll be repeating this process on the other toes so you can see what I mean. The line across the tip on the edge, and then you just start to work on one side curve and the next French side. I don't know what to call it. One side of the French and then the next side of the French. And right here, I made that side too long. So I was just looking at it, going back and forth, if I should make the next side long as well, or if I should keep it short. But I did keep it short. Just wiped it off real quick. And yes, you could just continue watching and see my little process. And then this big toe I did in real time, just to show y'all how tedious French could really be. A lot of people think French is just, just give me some French, it's just a simple design, but French is one of the most tedious designs. It has to be very accurate. It has to be very smooth with the curve. So I just did that big toe in real time so you can see, but the rest of the toes I speeded up. But yes, it is very tedious and you got to take your time with it. All right, so on this toe, the second toe, I'll be doing some rhinestones. And that pack of rhinestones I showed you, just some regular pack on Amazon, nothing special. And then this product is a builder gel. I'm going to try to insert a photo of that builder gel so you can see the brand. But, you just spread it over the nail and apply the rhinestones in order. It's always best to, when you're doing a full nail of rhinestones, it's always best to start from the bottom up. Just because you could make sure that it does not go over the free edge. It still keeps that square shape. If you were to start from the cuticle going down, you might end up with some overlapping the free edge. So it might lose that square shape. So it's always best just to start from the bottom free edge and work your way up to keep the shape. And then this product, you could pause and see it. It was referred to me from another. I used to work in a nail salon just for a few weeks. And another nail tech referred it to me just to hold or seal any type of design that's off of the nail. So 3D, and well, not 3D, but just rhinestones or any big design to hold it in place so it doesn't fall off. So anywho, that's what I use to just go around to seal it, to go around the corners, just so none will fall off, or that they will last as long as possible. And they have been lasting. This video I recorded about 4 weeks ago, and I still have the same exact toe design on right now as I'm doing this voiceover, and not one rhinestone has fallen off. So yeah, it's a good product. And then that's it, and I just top coat and I'm good to go. Simple, little cute black French design. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for tuning in again. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'll surely appreciate it. And like I said, feel free to comment down below what type of video you want me to see. What type of video you would like to see that I could record for you and post. But I truly appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you, and have a great day, whatever day you're watching this on, or night. Take care. Bye.